It's Sunday. I think it's just after 7. Rowan is eating some breakfast. Luna is still asleep. Nick is also still asleep, but you won't be seeing him in any vlogs. He absolutely does not like being on camera, and I'm sure over the years that might have clicked. So today I'm just carrying on my little chill weekend, not going anywhere. I'm getting the house cleaned, catching up my washing. What I'm planning on doing today is washing the cushion covers, like the seat covers of my couch. And this could go horribly wrong and I could ruin my couch, but we'll see. What I'm gonna do is take the cushion covers off and cover it with one of Luna's bed sheets, because it's like waterproof, her bed sheets, so it will stop the actual cushions getting damaged. Basically, there's at least one cat, if not 2 cats, that like to mark things in the way that cats mark things, and I've tried washing it on the surface, but obviously it's gonna get into like the cushion, so I really want to like clean the cushion cover. And I may, my thought is that once I clean the cushion covers, I can actually like cover the actual cushion in some sort of antibacterial thing that might kill the smell. I really don't want to have to clean the cushions, because that's going to take like days to dry. And the thought was I would get some stretchy fabric covers from eBay. That's the plan. And I would just put the original cushion covers back on, just buy a supplementary waterproof bed sheet and put them over the 2 cushion covers, and then cover it with the colourful stretchy cover from eBay. That might work, right? That might work. So yeah, we're gonna try that today. I'm gonna put what's in the washing machine just now on a spin and drain. I like to do that because it means it dries quicker when it's outside the machine. We don't have a tumble dryer, so everything has to dry indoors. As I've mentioned before, there is like some sort of cracked pipe of some sort in our backyard, back garden, courtyard thing. And whenever I put clothes out to dry, is it Bing? Well, you go watch Bing. Here's a good boy.
You come with me?
Yeah, I'll come with you. Come on, we'll go watch Bing. It is Bing. Yay, Bing. High five. High five. Good boy. So, what was I saying? Yeah, whenever I put clothes outside to dry, they come back stinking of damp. And don't know about y'all, but that's not the outdoor freshness I'm looking for when I dry my clothes outside. I don't know, like, if maybe that is what outside smells like, and if it is, why do people want their clothes to smell like that? It's disgusting. Ugh, just it reminds me of when I'm like I don't want to offend anyone, but like, you know, when someone visits the city and they're from the country, and like you can smell the country on them, like that's what my clothes come in smelling like. Oh, that sounds so mean, but you know it's true. You can smell the country air on people when they come into the city, at least around here anyway, because it's mostly cattle farms around here. Anyways, I'm gonna go make some coffee. Oh yeah, I also plucked my eyebrows this morning. I don't know if you can even tell the difference. Mostly it was getting rid of this monobrow. We will try and make it less of a... Oh my god, I'm making my cream bubble. That always has when I put too much of that on. It just sort of like pills off. But we'll tackle like the bushiness after. I have really naturally thick eyebrows anyway, so this new brow laminating trend, we've gone from we must have hairy caterpillars to let's highlight how little hair we have in our brows and celebrate it. If I laminate my brows, it just looks like freaking insane. Like, obviously I've never been for like the technique, like the actual going and getting them laminated, but if I like use soap and style my brows in a laminate style, it looks freaking insane. I'll have to do it in a video so you can see it. I like it, but it is a bit much. It is a look, guys. It is a look. Anyways, coffee and breakfast. Catch you guys soon.
Oh, that's so
How cute is this? I've just taken the cushions and the cushion covers off of the sofa, and no one's come and taken the hoover through, because every time I take the cushions off the sofa, I usually hoover. Isn't that just adorable? Are you trying to get the cable off? Is it stuck? Mummy help you? We'll hoover. We'll get all the crayons out the sofa and we'll give it a hoover. Yeah?
I will help. Oh.
So I've just spent the last hour hanging these up. I just gotten off my backside yesterday and done it. They'd be dry and I'd be putting them away because I still have some stuff left to hang up. But it's okay. It's okay. We can do it like tomorrow. My cushion covers actually came out really good. They're on the radiator now drying. Almost finished hanging up stuff. I've just got the kids' clothes to put on there and then I'm done. Apart from like the few socks and underwear that needs to go on one of those rings, but I can't because I got no space. But yeah, we feel accomplished. We've been doing things. I'm very, very happy. I've also been listening to I've been catching up on Project Pan videos on the laptop. So I've been sitting in the kitchen counter while I've been sorting everything, and I was actually watching my god, I feel awful, I can't remember the name, but the Chic Geek, I was watching her video and it actually reminded me of usage Project Pans. Like, how could I have forgotten about that? It's been so long since I've really, really thought about panning. I know it's only been like when did I stop panning? I can't remember. Sometime during the first wave of lockdown, I was like throwing in the towel. But I had considered doing a lot of usage project pans, and with there not being an awful lot of time left in the year, I kind of liked the idea of doing a project pan, but with there not being an awful lot of time in the year, it's like I can't really finish anything. There's nothing that's going to be able to get finished. So I figured, now that I've been reminded of the concept, I'm going to do some usage project pans. How awesome is that going to be? Actually, like, I don't know how I'm going to structure it. Like, I was thinking doing 10 uses, and then once I've got enough that I've reached 10 uses, roll them into 20 use, and then once I've gotten enough that I've done 20 uses, roll them into a 50 use, and so on and so forth till, we finish them. It's just a thought. I think it'd be a great idea to try and get use out of like all my foundations and well, just generally everything. But every time I look in my corner and I see that sea of foundations in the top of my my unit, I'm like, yeah, I love foundations. I love having so many foundations, but bitch, I need to use them. So I'm gonna finish hanging up these last pieces. I've just got this to hang up here. I know we have some crazy drying apparatuses in my house. I've got those rings. I've got these are actually hooked onto here. They're like trouser hangers, and they just hang there. And then I've also got this gadget, which dries clothes also. And we've got a good old fashioned clothes aider thing in the corner of my room. So yeah, who needs a tumble dryer? Besides, where would I put it? Where would I put a damn tumble dryer in this house? There is literally no space. I think I remember seeing ones, like, you can get compact ones, like really tiny ones. I should maybe look into that, but like, more money on the electric. Whereas the heating comes on twice a day anyway. Use it. Anyways, I'm not getting stuff done standing here yapping, Emma. So let's get cracking. So I forgot to finish the vlog on Sunday night. Oops. I haven't got my vlogging legs on, shall we say. But I'll try and do better. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you want to see more of them, then feel free to let me know. I quite enjoyed just recording little snippets of my day, and I wouldn't mind doing it more. Just little snippets of other things. But I'm now going to edit this vlog, and whilst it's processing, I'm actually going to tackle this because I didn't actually manage to get to it on Saturday night like I meant to. And I didn't get to it last night like I meant to. So we're going to do it now. And that's going to be in another sort of vlog situation. So I'll catch you guys later. Thank you so much for watching.